Hello, in this video I will show you how you can create custom or cloned voices with Kukarella. So if you go to applications, click on clone a voice, and here you can uh, choose a name, gender, and style of the voice. In our case it will be narrative, because I will be using this voice. Let's listen.
There once was a magician who knew all kinds of sorcery, yet he longed for the unspeakable.
So he is a storyteller, so we can describe him as a storyteller. And now let's drop a few files. You can also record audio if it's your voice and use it as a sample for cloning. But now we go with samples. Let's click clone voice and see what happens. It takes between 10 and 20 seconds to finish cloning. The more files you upload, the longer it takes. But so it's done. So now this voice supports 35 languages and accents. You can see the whole list of languages here. The voice was added to your voices. You will find it because it will in your library of voices, in catalog of voices. It will be marked with this icon. Here, you can listen to a sample of the voice. Okay, cool. So now you can open this voice in Dialogues AI or in text-to-voice app. Let's open in Dialogues AI. So this is the voice. You see, this is your list of voices, and it was added to the top of the list and marked with this clone icon. You can also, it's not there. We will add a filter which allows you to filter by cloned voices. Okay, now let's test how it works. Let's assign Jim to this paragraph and wait till it converted. Good. So if you go to text to voice and create a new project there, same way you can find this voice in your list of voices. And since it supports multiple languages, you can find it with British accent or Australian, Chinese, Dutch, and yeah, so the list is quite big, 35 or 36 languages and accents. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions or need any help. Thanks for watching. Bye.